Today we are going to show you the easiest way to build a homemade blower. This is a lamp, this is a 7-volt adapter, this is a lamp, this is a tape roll, and this is a little box, and this is a simple 4-volt motor. We have already fixed the fans in it, and the wires are also attached with it. Now let us proceed. This is a big box for making a blower. See what it looks like. We have to cut it here. Now we have cut, and we have to cut it here. Make a hole here. We have made this hole and a hole here. Now this little box, we are putting it in the big box. This is a tape so that we can fix it. So we have fixed this box. Now we are fixing the motor. This 4-volt simple DC motor here. By using this tape. So the motor is also fixed. See what it looks like from here, and see what it looks like from here. This is good blower. Now comes the turn of the lamp. We have already fixed it to the holder. Now we are fixing again. Now that hole we had made earlier in the box. Now we are fixing the lamp in that hole. The lamp is fixed. Now we are using a little bit of tape to fix it hard, to fix it quite well. Now comes the turn of the 7-volt DC adapter. 7-volt adapter, AC adapter. It converts AC to DC. This is the pin of the adapter. The positive terminal is the inside part of it, and the negative terminal is the outside part of it. Now positive wire is going to be fixed inside, and the negative outside. So we have fixed it. So let's check it out. So the fan is working. Now we are going to show you how this blower works. To make this properly fixed, to make this tight, we are using a little bit of tape like this, so it's been fixed. Here's the fan and here is the lamp. This lamp will hotten the air, it will warm the air, and this fan will give the warm air outside. This will bring that warm air outside. Now we are closing it. And we are using a little bit of tape to fix it. Now let's check out blower. This is very exciting. These wires of the lamp are, we are gonna fix these wires in that plug. See this, we are these wires, we are plugging them in. Now see this, see the warm air. So see what it looks like. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment below, and surely share this video to your friends, and goodbye.